Hi there you guys, what's up? My name is Rukma. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a haul from Max. I have this amazing clothing haul from Max. सारे ही काफी useful and अच्छे हैं and also within a budget, like reasonable items. I have loungewear, I have some t-shirts and some tops, and I think you're gonna love this haul because सारी ही चीजें जो है काफी useful है. Max I think has always been that underdog, like amidst the West Side and the Zudio and the Reliance Trends of the world. I personally don't like the collection at Reliance Trend that much. I've never enjoyed their collection. But Westside I very much love. And Zudio, I don't find their quality to be great. But once in a while कुछ shopping कर लिया 1000-2000 का, वो मुझे ठीक ही लगता है. But Max is really something which surprises me at times. I don't go to Max's offline store उतना, but Max का जो app है ना, I do keep checking it out. They really have some good ribbed tops. They have nice like bottom wear and everything. So काफी अच्छा collection उनके पास, once in a while आता रहता है. So I really like their collection. So yes, today's haul is going to be a Max clothing haul. Without any further ado, let's get started. All right, first up, we're going to be starting with the loungewear, that is the sleepwear. I have some amazing sleepwear from Max this time, and then we're going to be moving on to the t-shirts and the tops. Okay, so सबसे पहले मेरे पास है ये chemise. Chemise, I hope is the correct pronunciation. It's basically like a short night gown जो आपके knees तक आएगा, बहुत खुला खुला है, breezy है, pure cotton का है, and summer months के लिए तो बिल्कुल appropriate है. And I think this particular chemise literally is me in a clothing item because इस पे जो graphic जो messaging है ना, वो पूरा मेरे साथ पूरा applicable है. So this is what the chemise looks like. It's so comfortable and cozy. It's very oversized for me. I picked this up in the size XL, but that's only because when it comes to loungewear and sleepwear ना, मुझे थोड़ा सा oversized पसंद है because that turns out to be very comfortable for me to like go off to sleep. तो मुझे बहुत comfortable लगता है, amazing लगता है. It's in this grey color, okay? And इसके ऊपर लिखा हुआ है take time, smell the coffee. I love what's written on this because I am not a morning person. I am a night owl. I am a night person. I think I have said that before also in my videos that I am a out and out night person. And when I wake up in the morning, I really need some time to sort of get used to the world and like start my day. So yeah, I think take time, smell the coffee makes absolute sense to me. It's very comfortable and cozy. का जो length है exactly मेरे knees से थोड़ा ऊपर आता है because I am 5 feet 6 inches. But if you're shorter than that, तो आपको obviously knee तक या knee के थोड़ा सा नीचे भी आ सकता है. So that's that. Otherwise, it's a very soft, cozy and comfortable sleepwear. And I got this for only rupees 599, which is the MRP as well. Next up, I have a PJ set for only rupees 699, which is 100 more than the chemise. इसमें आपको obviously एक t-shirt मिलता है and एक पजामा मिलता है, and it's like a set जो कि बहुत अच्छा and बहुत comfortable भी है. So this is the t-shirt, okay? This is the top wear of that set. यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है a fresh start and you have some amazing white and pink flowers. ये थोड़ा सा और भी darker grey में है. The chemise that I had was in a lighter grey, but ये भी equally soft and comfortable है, and ये भी थोड़ा सा loose रखना था मुझे, तो this I also picked up in the size XL and very comfortable and cozy like I said, and perfect length and everything, perfect fitting. Now let's move on to the pajama. So this is the pajama, you guys. You can see that the color is so unique. It looks like a cassata ice cream, like a Sunday ice cream. Basically इसमें ना peach है, white है, light green है, and ये भी pure cotton का है, बहुत comfortable है, and honestly speaking ये भी मैंने थोड़ा सा loose fit में लिया है. Obviously आप लोगों को try on करके दिखा रही हूँ, but you can see कि as a combination ये कितना अच्छा लगेगा because यहाँ पे जो color combination use हुआ है, peach, green and white, that is exactly the combination of these pajamas. So all in all, it's a very amazing loungewear only for rupees 699, which I think is really great because Westside also has very cozy, very comfortable nightwear, loungewear. However, their prices are much more steep than that of Max. तो Max से आप ये वाला nightwear definitely ले सकते हो. And I have ordered all of these things on Max's app. तो मैं इन सबको ना आप लोग के लिए लिंक कर दूंगी. Definitely check out कर लेना. Alright, next up is a t-shirt, and this one is only for rupees 299, and I absolutely love and adore the color combination because the color combination is grey and black, and दोनों ही colors मुझे outfits में बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे लगते हैं. So this is what the t-shirt looks like. Okay, so ये पूरा portion जो है it's like a block of black, and then majority of the top goes in this beautiful gray color. Again, a very very soft, comfortable and cozy t-shirt. Now I've picked this up in the size large, but I was expecting it to be a little more like looser, but ये उतना ज़्यादा loose नहीं है मेरे लिए. It's a very fitting kind of a t-shirt, though I don't mind that because I just might be styling it with like a loose bottom wear. However, I will suggest कि आप लोग इस particular t-shirt को अगर ले रहे हो तो size up करना, ताकि आपके sizing में कोई issue ना आए. Alright, next up I have two t-shirts for you all, and both of these are for rupees 249, which is such an insane and crazy price for good quality t-shirts from Max, which are so comfortable to wear. Now, the next one that I have is this t-shirt. Now, navy blue is another color which I love when it comes to outfits. Okay, मुझे बहुत पसंद है navy blue color के कपड़े, तो मुझे एक navy blue color का t-shirt भी लेना ही था. Now इसमें लिखा हुआ है excuse moi madame. So इसमें थोड़ा सा French, I'm guessing this is French, तो French लिखा हुआ है, and that's like the only text that you have over here है. हाँ, यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है mademoiselle. So I think it's a very very nice yet minimal t-shirt. ज़्यादा कुछ अनोखा इसमें है नहीं, लेकिन I think on a very summer day you can just throw in like a nice light blue pair of jeans, your sunglasses, a nice bag, nice sneakers, and you can be out and about. It's like a no-brainer. Style करना बहुत easy होता है ऐसे t-shirts को, and especially because ये 249 का है, I loved it. Now, because I like to give honest reviews about everything that I show you on my channel, I would definitely like to compare the quality of this t-shirt with the quality of the t-shirt which came in the pajama set and the chemise. I think those are way softer than this. Now you have to consider the price difference as well. This one is for 249 and those outfits were for 599, 699 and वो loungewear है. So probably their loungewear section is much more expensive than their t-shirts and much more softer also. That cotton is much more softer. But ये uncomfortable नहीं है. But if you would like me to compare the quality of the cotton of this and those, I think those are way softer. But ये भी अच्छा है, आप definitely इसको भी carry कर सकते हो. As promised, I have another t-shirt worth rupees 249. ये भी थोड़ा सा grayish color में है, but still it's a little different from what I've already shown you. This is what the t-shirt looks like. इसके ऊपर लिखा हुआ है Las Vegas. Now ये base तो grey है and इसके ऊपर जो लिखा है वो pink में है. So basically, I feel like the contrast is something that really captured my attention जब मैं app में scroll कर रही थी to buy some nice t-shirts for the summer season. And ये तो मैंने recently एक महीने में इतना पहना है. So what you're seeing right now is after multiple washes. So I can tell you that even though this one is for 249, it has survived so many washes. Okay, and Las Vegas नीचे ये भी लिखा हुआ है, what happens here stays here. वो मैं पढ़ना भूल गई थी. But yeah, this is what this t-shirt looks like. Again, a very comfortable one, but again the same thing compared to the sleepwear वाले outfit, sleepwear वाला t-shirt, it's not that soft, but ये comfortable है. I can tell you that because मैंने ये recently बहुत बार पहना है. ये भी नीचे बाकी सब products की तरह linked रहेगा. Alright, next up I have a crop top. This one is for rupees 399. It's also very minimal, very basic, but I loved it and I knew that this is gonna be looking so fashionable. So this is the crop top जो मैंने 1st January को पहना था. We went out to a cafe and I had worn this crop top and I simply fell in love with it. I'm going to be placing a picture here. आज भी आप लोग को try on मिलेगा. 2 वीडियो पहले मैंने एक वीडियो किया था on my current favorites. वो वाले वीडियो में भी I was sporting this particular crop top. So this is what the crop top looks like. It's again so sporty and basic, but I love it. And ये भी बहुत ज़्यादा soft है by the way. This is something which you can style with like skirts, denims, I think joggers, cargo pants. हर एक चीज़ के साथ आप इसको स्टाइल कर सकते हो. बहुत ही cool kind of a crop top है ये. And this is something जिसको आप स्टाइल अप भी कर सकते हो. मतलब इसके साथ अगर आपने एक हाई पोनी कर लिया, थोड़ा अच्छा लिपस्टिक पहन लिया, स्कर्ट पहन लिया and heels पहन लिया, तो you can style it in a different way also, and you can style it in a sporty way also with your denim and everything, right? So it's really nice. And this one I've picked up in the size XL because I wanted to size up since it's a crop top, right? So I wanted to pick it up in like a bigger size because I knew कि ये जो crop tops होते हैं ना shrink होते हैं, especially because cotton का है तो ये shrink तो होना ही था. तो ये काफी ज़्यादा shrink हुआ भी है. And for me, I think the length always becomes a problem because ये है तो crop top, but ये जब आया था इतना भी crop नहीं था. अभी बहुत ज़्यादा crop हुआ है. Guys, understand I am a averagely tall girl, so मेरे लिए the normal crop would be like really crop. So yeah, I picked this up in the XL size itself. It's from the Max Urban collection. So Love it completely. Now coming to the last top for today's video, and this happens to be the most expensive item of today's video. This one is for rupees 799, and this top is something that I absolutely love wearing. So this is what the top looks like. It's a pure white color top, okay? Now the sleeves that you have are transparent, and then this is like the main part of the top which is not transparent, and again the sleeve is transparent. So ये भी XL size में मैंने लिया था, एंड ये ना इतने अलग अलग तरीकों से आप स्टाइल कर सकते हो. यू कैन वेयर दिस लाइक विद अ डेनिम, with a nice like a indigo printed skirt, which is exactly how I had styled it during Durga Puja of last year. I will definitely be placing a picture out here, and आज का try on तो रहेगा ही. So I completely love this particular top. इस पे usually कोई sale होता नहीं है, because I think this is very much worth rupees 799, because if you walk to a website today, this will be nothing less than a 1099 or 1399. So I think even for 799, it's a really good top, and you should definitely have this one in your wardrobe. Alright guys, I just got done trying out all the amazing tops and t-shirts and nightwear that I've purchased from Max recently. All of them will be linked नीचे. I will suggest कि आप लोग Max का जो app है वो download कर लो, and yeah, they have really good collection under very reasonable prices. This was the last top that I tried out in the try-on thing, and that's why you're seeing me in this particular top currently. But yeah, that's about it. That's all about today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching today's video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. I will see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Loads and loads of love, you guys. Bye bye.